Speaker, sir, there's fear and anxiety in the minds of people of Sattari Taluka regarding the draft notification of the Gazette of India, which came out on Wednesday, July 6, 2022, declaring 55 villages of Sattari as eco-sensitive zones. Speaker, sir.
I'll reply. Yes. Sir, the reply is very extensive. And we are circulating, some xeroxes are coming. So, we opposition are putting people alle, baki आम्ही दिले. Speaker, sir, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change first notified that first draft notification of ecologically sensitive areas for Western Ghats for the 99 villages identified by Kasturga Committee by serial number 733E dated 10/3/2014. The following 99 villages have been published in the draft notification. I will not name all 99. The 99 villages are as namely. This is the first thing about 99 villages which are there, which have been put. Speaker, sir, subsequently, we have been, the Honorable Chief Minister of Government of Goa represented via letters dated 16/4/2014, 8/7/2014, 24/2015, respectively to the Minister for Environment and Forest, Government of India, to withdraw the notification and carry out physical survey before notification. Thereafter, the Ministry has reissued the said notification via serial number 66E dated 27/2/2017. The Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Goa, represented via letter dated 18/4/2017 to Minister for Environment and Forest, Government of Goa, requesting for inclusion of only 19 villages in lieu of the 99 villages, including in the draft notification. As serial number 513E dated 3/10/2018, the Secretary of Environment represented via letter dated 17/6/2019 to MOFCCC, Government of India, to only consider 59 villages which are already within the existing protection regime in the notification and to drop the rest. Again, it was put, Sir Speaker, sir. In the said letter, it was also proposed to include 10 other villages which are contiguous to the 59 villages, including in the draft notification, to be included in the final notification. The MFC once again issued draft notification 630, serial number 632E dated 25/6/2020. Speaker, sir, the draft notification is similarly every time, the 3 times I have mentioned about draft notification, all the 3 times without any changes, it has been again and again published, Speaker, sir. The Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Minister for Environment represented via letters dated 10/1/2020, 9/7/2020, 13/7/2020 and 28/12/2021, respectively Minister for Environment and Forest, Government of India, putting forth the views of the state government that only some villages meet the criteria prescribed for the inclusion of villages as part of the ASA of Western Ghats, and also to include only part of villages, not full villages, as proposed, considering the existing habitation and plantation of the local population residing in the villages. Now MFC has issued again a draft notification, serial number 3072E, dated 6/7/22, where you are removed the calling attention, Speaker, sir. Once again, the same villages have been included. So from all these years, the same notification has been repeated and all our representations have not been considered. Honorable CM, myself and the previous CMs and previous environment ministers have been following him. Honorable Chief Minister of the State during this tenure, as well as me as Environment Minister, have been continuously representing the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change in order to put forth the views of the state government. The Kasturga report basically focuses on 2 aspects as to include those villages which can find a mention in the final notification on ecologically sensitive areas of Western Ghats. That is, A, Taluka block should be 600 meters above the mean sea level, MSL, and 20% of the area of the Taluka block should be 600 meters above the MSL. B is the villages should be contiguous to the Western Ghats in the neighboring states of that is Maharashtra and Karnataka. These errors in the notification with regards to the names of the villages, their spellings, etc., and the same have been highlighted in letters issued by the Honorable Chief Minister as well as letters issued by me. The state government has minutely verified an application of the criteria, and it is observed that only 26 villages which are of such nature have been elevation of 600 meters and above. There are 4 talukas whose part are falling in the ecologically sensitive area of the Western Ghats. In all 4 cases, only minuscule percentage of the total area is above 600 meters of MSL. That is in Kankona, Speaker, sir, only 0.20%. Darbandara is 2.54%, and Sangay is 4.93%, and Sattari is 4.88%. Hence, none of the 4 talukas qualify to be included in the ASA of the Western Ghats. The analysis has been done by using the contour maps prepared by the Geological Survey of India, and it is found that only 26 out of those 99 villages what they have shown meet the criteria. I have given in the answer, but I will just name Karanjol in Sattari, Sulla Sattari, Sotre Sattari, Gauli Sattari. Then only these 26 villages are being told, Speaker Sir. Out of these, only 11 villages fall in the Sattari Taluka, Speaker Sir. The state government has examined the height of the remaining villages, and out of these 4 villages, only 600 meters and above are not contiguous to the Western Ghats of neighboring. The other villages are having a height of below 500 meters below, Speaker Sir. I would like to emphasize that out of the total geographical area, I'm just telling you total geographical area of the state, because all my colleagues should know what is the seriousness of this, that out of the 3,702 square kilometers of Goa, the state is hardly left with 342 square kilometers area. Only 9.25% can be seen for using of development and growth, Speaker Sir. This is a fact. Why? I will just give a breakup of that again, Speaker Sir. Forest, protected, reserve, private, including national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, is 1,250 square kilometers. That is 34.63% of the state of Goa. Coastal regulation, that is 400 square kilometers, that is 10.8%. Rivers, lakes and other water bodies is 216 square kilometers, that is 5.32%. Agriculture is 1,480 square kilometers, that is 40%. That is how we remain with only 9.25%, Speaker Sir. Speaker Sir, in addition to the above, the total forest and tree cover of the state of Goa is more than 66%. This is because people of Goa have culturally and historically been protecting the environment and forest, Speaker Sir. The Honorable Chief Minister therefore representing to the central government that having examined the existing protection regimes and ecological sensitive areas in the state, and in order to prevent overlapping protection regimes and maintaining uniform boundaries of such areas to include that only 59 villages should meet this criteria. That is also, Speaker Sir, as continuity of the including draft notification of wildlife sanctuary, eco-sanctuary area, as this is already part of the protection regime. That is why we have said 59, Speaker Sir. I have given the names of all the 59 villages which are there attached. Speaker Sir, no, cover them, no. Speaker Sir, तुझे कानकोणाक तुका त्रास जातलो. Speaker Sir, in addition, the state government represented to include 10 villages which are contiguous and having similar ecology as 59 villages, including a draft notification to be including in the final notification, Speaker Sir. All these 69 villages proposals are as part of the protection regime of the state government, which have been already protected by various other way, either by ESA or whatever, Speaker Sir. I will just give you a small brief. In Sattari Taluka, in ESZ, already there are 24, and as part of Wildlife Sanctuary 2, means 26 are already covered in that area. In Sangye Taluka, 12 are in ESZ, 9 are as part of Wildlife Sanctuary, that means 21 already covered, Speaker Sir. Kankona, there are already in ESZ 3, and total if you calculate, there are already 50 villages already there in part of the notification.
कोणचे असा एक विलेज पंचायत ती
ना सांगता सर
इतली आसा की ऑलमोस्ट मागीर आसा 50 ह्याच प्रमाणे आसा न्ही 50% क्वेश्चन जे येतात
स्पीकर सर आय जस्ट टोल्ड यू व्हॉट इट इज नाव आता
माहिती खातीर बाकी कडेन कशें विलेज दाखयला ल्हान ल्हानशे विलेज सत्तरी बी अशें कशें बारीक बारीकशे विलेज पण हांगा कशें एक फूल विलेज पंचायत खोतिगांव विलेज पंचायत गांवडोंगरी विलेज पंचायत पैंगीण विलेज पंचायत म्हणटा
स्पीकर सर जे तुम्ही सांगता पळय साजा इन द रेव्हेन्यू विलेज जो आसा दॅट इज वाय तेंचें कंटेन्शन की अर्ध विलेज करूंक मेवना केलो जाल्यार आख्खो करपाक जाय अशें म्हणटा आनी पर्सेंटेज तेच म्हणटा की 20% एबाव आसपाक जाय पण आमची विलेज 20% एबाव खंयची ना पण हांवें पयर सीएमाक सांगलां की गरज पडल्या आमी सपोज जो तुमचे जर काणकोणा भाग जो तुमी आतां जो म्हणटा तितू विलेज जे 3 विलेजीस तितू भितर येयल्या पैंगीण खोतिगांव अशें जे नांव आसा जाल्यार पैंगीणचे 2 भाग करूंक मेळटा स्पीकर सर एक तो ESS गेल्लो आहा तो भाग करून दिवपाक जाता आनी उरलो भाग आमी तेय आमची सीएमाक आमी तयारीन थ्रू रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट आमकां करपाक
इवन सांगेर जे आसा न्ही
सांगेर तशें
नेत्रावळे पासून बाकी हे सगळे एरिया आसा न्ही फूल इकोसिस्टम
हय स्पीकर सर म्हाका खबर आसा दॅट्स वाय वी हॅव डिस्कस स्पीकर सर दॅट इफ रिक्वायर्ड वी वील मेक 2 पार्ट्स ऑफ द विलेज वन सो दॅट कंटेन्शन आसा की एंटायर विलेज हॅज टू कम पूण आमचें कितें जालें सर, वी आर नॉट ऑन अ डेकन प्लेटर, आमी सकयल आसा, मीन सी लेवल. आमचें मीन सी लेवल 0 धरलें जाल्यार ते जे तुमी विलेज सांगता, हार्डली इट इज सम विलेज नॉट इवन 20 MSL.
नाही नाही, इवन खोल पंचायत पळयली जायत न्ही, शिशराला लागून असती.
जाणा तें सांगता
ती घेतली
तें सांगता तुजें हांव सांगतालो स्पिकर सर, ती विलेज पळोवपाक गेल्यार 0 सी लेवलाचेर आसा आनी 500 MSLाचें मागता सर. सो आमची विलेज तशी ना. सो दॅट इज वाय वी वील, आय हॅव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड ऑनरेबल CM that we are now after assembly session we will work out and divide this Kotinggaon into 2 villages, Kotinggaon 1, Kotinggaon 2, and make separate boundaries so that if they are taking, let them take on that basis. Because कितें जाता स्पिकर सर, this thing is monitored by Supreme Court. आनी फाल्यां जर ते पयर फॉरेस्टा भशेन जालें जाल्यार एंटायर जालें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता गोंयांत आनी बोवाड पडटलें गव्हर्मेंटाचेर. सो वी आर अवेअर ऑफ द सिट्युएशन. आय जस्ट फिनिश reading few more lines. The state government has also informed the ministry that while notifying the wildlife sanctuaries as well as eco-centric zones in the state of Goa, natural boundaries such as rivers, streams, nalas, etc. or roads have to be taken into consideration. Therefore, part of the villages are within the protection regime. The state of Goa has been proactive in protecting ecology and environment in these areas, and therefore, considering the size of the state as well as high percentage of areas under protecting regime, only part of the villages as mentioned in the annexure may be considered while issuing the final notification. This will be ensured that these boundaries, such protected areas are uniform. Speaker sir, we are very concerned. Honorable CM is very much concerned. We are continuously following up, and whatever way, because it is an entire Western Ghat issue which has been monitored by the Supreme Court NGT, and we are taking care. Whatever suggestions, I think I have given a comprehensive report and answer to your question. But Honorable CM is on record, and we are discussing that if required, we will do part, because the notification said the entire village has to come. If we require, we will divide into villages as already said.
Under Rule 16, Rule of Procedure of Conduct of Business, I move a motion of the extended duration of the sitting of the House 15 minutes.
आन्सर केला आनी कितें विचारपाचें सांगू सर.
Yes, continue.
स्पीकर सर, स्पीकर सर, आमचे 70 भागान ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान आतां सांगलां आमचे 56 विलेजीस अफेक्ट जाल्या. सो 56 विलेजीस 2 मतदारसंघाचे म्हणजे तुमी येवजूपा शकता. ऑलमोस्ट सगळोच मतदारसंघ तुमी म्हणपा शकता. ॲज इट इज आमचो मतदारसंघ इज ऑलरेडी कवर्ड विथ सो मच फॉरेस्ट. पार्ट ऑफ येदी व्हडली म्हादय सँक्च्युरी आसा थंय. ऑन टॉप ऑफ दॅट तर हे वेस्टर्न घाट्सा खातीर इको सेन्सिटीव एरियाज आतां हे पळय डिक्लेअर केल्या. ते तर आमचे हो सगळो इतले 55 विलेजीस तर इनवॉल्व जाले, इन्क्लूड जाले जाल्यार आमचे लोक दे आर गोइंग टू बी वतले खंय म्हणटकच इतले लोक सद्या इतले गडबडल्या भिल्या की आमचें जातलें कित्याक. ॲज इट इज फॉरेस्ट रायट्स फॉरेस्टा खातीर इतले issues asta with forest officers and the locals, and on top of that हे आता नवे notification आयला because of sanctuary आमचे मतदारसंघान आसा थंय कांय करपा मेळना. ताजे खातीर ॲज इट इज इतले इश्यूज आसा. स्पीकर सर, गोंया आमची इतली इट्स सच अ स्मॉल प्लेस, इट्स सच अ स्मॉल स्टेट. ऑन टॉप ऑफ दॅट वी हॅव 65% ऑफ फॉरेस्ट कवर ऑलरेडी आसा. सो हाजी कितें गरज आसा, बिकॉज वी आर ऑल फॉर प्रिजर्वेशन एंड कन्जर्वेशन ऑफ एनवायरमेंट आनी फॉरेस्ट. बिकॉज ऑफ इतले सगळे 65% फॉरेस्ट, ताजे भायर आमकां CRZ रिस्ट्रिक्शन्स लागता हांगा. वी हॅव अदर इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट्स ऑल्सो. हांगा एअरपोर्ट्स आसा, MPT आसा, नेवल डिफेन्स इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट्स आसा. इतले सगळे 5 सँक्च्युरीज आसा, एक नॅशनल पार्क आसा, आनी म्हणल्यार लँड उरलां खंय लोकांक. आनी जे कितें थोडे आतां लोक गांवांनी रावता हे तर इको सेन्सिटीव झोन तर केले, मागीर ते लोकांनी वचपाचें खंय. सो what do we do about it? Because so I request Honorable Chief Minister and Minister for Environment and Forest Minister, तुम्ही please एक delegation घेऊन दिल्ली वचा, कित्याक परत हे requests have gone to the Union Ministry, but still the replies come back are the same. कांयच 1-2 विलेज पसून हालोना. द सेम थिंग हॅज कम बॅक 99चे 99च विलेजीस. आनी आमचे इतले मतदारसंघ अफेक्ट जाल्या. 70 म्हणात तुमचे मतदारसंघ, काणकोण, सांग्या, सावड्ड्या, इतले 5-6 केप्यां पसून दिसता म्हाका थोडे. सो इतले मतदारसंघ अफेक्ट जाल्या. एज इट इज आमचे गोंय राज्य इतलें स्मॉल आसा. ऑन टॉप ऑफ दॅट वी हॅव सो मच रिस्ट्रिक्शन्स. पयलींच इतलें हें आसा, आनी ऑन टॉप ऑफ दॅट हे तर आयलें म्हाका दिसता हालीं पसून म्हाका दिसता युनियन मिनिस्टरान एक मिटींग घेतिल्ली बॉम्बे, बट तरी पसून ताजें कांयच जावं ना. देर हॅज बीन नो चेंजीस आनी आमकां परत हें ड्राफ्ट नोटिफिकेशन आयलां विथ 99 विलेजीस बॅक म्हणून आमची लोक खूब भिल्या. आय एम हियर स्पिकींग ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ माय पीपल, कित्याक वी हॅव टू फायंड सम सोल्युशन टू दीस कलेक्टिवली अँड सी दॅट वी टेक इट टू द युनियन मिनिस्ट्री. थँक यू स्पीकर
श्री
सर.
गणेश गांवकर.